Welcome back to our channel, where we bravely venture deep into the hidden worlds that exist right under our noses, opening up realms of unexpected wonder and knowledge. Today, we're embarking on a journey that many may find unsettling, as we peer into the world of cockroaches. Yes, you heard it correctly, those tiny creatures often associated with dark alleys and dirty kitchens. However, they are incredibly adaptive, whose history dates back millions of years, long before humans ever walked the earth. The cockroach, such a small creature but one that holds an entire world within itself. Known more for their ability to crawl under your skin figuratively, sometimes literally, they are a testament to the diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. Sure, they might be deemed creepy, but their survival skills are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Now we pause for a moment to ask a small favor of you. If you find yourself intrigued, fascinated, or even slightly repulsed by these resilient critters, we encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Each interaction, every click, is a way to support us and our work. It allows us to delving further into the unseen, the overlooked, and the misunderstood aspects of our beautiful planet. Your support encourages us to push boundaries, to question preconceived notions, and to foster a sense of curiosity and exploration. It fuels our mission to uncover the mysteries that lie in every corner, nook, and cranny of our world, and to share that knowledge with you, our community. We seek not just to inform, but to inspire a sense of wonder and respect for all forms of life. So, buckle up and prepare for a journey that challenges our understanding and preconceptions about these adaptable and seemingly indestructible insects. Are you ready to meet the immune cockroaches? In the never-ending battle between humans and pests, it seems the cockroaches are pulling a fast one on us. A significant, terrifying metaphorical tug-of-war, with us on the losing end, it appears. Outsmarting us, are they? A startling yet alarming question it is. Picture this scenario, a world wherein these small brown critters, no larger than the tip of your little finger, are immune to insecticides. Immune, mind you, not just resistant. The very idea instills a sense of dread, doesn't it? It makes you shudder, forces you to question the dominance of your species. It's like you've been unwillingly transported to a ghastly dystopian world of a horror movie, where you're not the hunter, but the hunted. A planet where every corner is swarming with these tiny, seemingly indestructible creatures. But the frightening reality is, you haven't been teleported anywhere. You're still in the comforts of your own home, yet the horror is real. Now, pinch yourself, because this is not a reel of fiction, it's real of fiction. It's not an overactive imagination or a terrifying nightmare you can shrug off with a shake of your head. This is not a drill or a far-fetched theory. It's a horrifying reality, a dreadful fact that we are squaring off against today. Cockroaches, those resilient ancient marauders, these seemingly insignificant creatures who've been scurrying around since the time of dinosaurs. Creatures who've seen the birth and extinction of countless species, who've survived the harshest of conditions and the roughest of times. They're now evolving, mutating, and adapting at a speed that leaves us bewildered and terrified. They're laughing off our best attempts to eradicate them, to wipe them off the face of the earth. As if their rapid-fire breeding cycle, their uncanny ability to reproduce at an alarming rate, wasn't enough. As if their capability to survive without food for months on end, their resilience to the harshest of conditions, weren't enough. They are now shrugging off the very chemicals designed to finish them off. The chemicals that we, humans, engineered with a sense of superiority, a sense of dominance. Cockroaches, the very creatures we underestimated, are rapidly becoming immune to these. This is a serious concern, folks. It's a nightmarish situation we can't afford to ignore. Especially considering that cockroaches are notorious carriers of unwanted guest stars like Salmonella and E. coli. It's a harsh wake-up call, an alarming alert that forces us to question our survival tactics and rethink. But how is this happening? This mysterious phenomenon we are discussing is not some random occurrence, but rather a testament to the unstoppable forces of nature and evolution. It is a display of endurance and adaptability that is woven into the very DNA of these resilient creatures we call cockroaches. As we delve deeper into the science behind their incredible survival skills, the cockroach's adaptive genetic makeup continues to astound us. These astounding creatures, the cockroaches, have an uncanny knack for survival. This survival instinct isn't just a byproduct of circumstances, it's ingrained in their core being, thanks to their versatile genetic makeup. Every cockroach carries the potential survivor, capable of thriving amidst poisonous adversity. This genetic prowess is not merely an adaptation, but an evolutionary advantage that has been honed over millions of years. When these organisms are exposed to an insecticide, a fascinating process begins to unfold. It's a testament to the power of genetics and natural selection. The cockroaches that survive the deadly onslaught of the insecticide possess a genetic trait them resistant. This trait, this life-saving gene, is then passed on to their offspring. The process of genetic inheritance ensures the survival of the species by arming the new generation with the necessary genetic defenses. Over time, this process repeats and intensifies. With each passing generation, the cockroach colonies become stronger, more resilient, tragically for us, immune to the effects of that particular insecticide. It's a never-ending cycle of adaptation and evolution, a testament to the unending resilience of life, even in the face of lethal adversity. This process, however, is not solely driven by nature. Human intervention plays a significant role in accelerating it. The widespread and often indiscriminate use of insecticides adds fuel to this evolutionary fire, forcing the cockroaches to adapt at an even faster pace. The more we spray, the quicker these pests evolve. Each spray of insecticide is an unwitting catalyst, a challenge that these tiny creatures rise to meet. This pattern of survival, adaptation, and growth is an evolutionary arms race. It's a race against time, against poison, and against human attempts to eradicate them. And right now, the cockroaches are not just winning in this battle of survival, they're laughing all the way to the finish line. As we've seen, these resilient creatures are rapidly adapting to our extermination methods. Humans, in our eagerness for quick solutions, have accelerated their evolution. Superbugs. Our injudicious use of insecticides has led to environmental harm. We need a more sustainable, scientifically innovative pest control approach that respects nature's balance. But it starts with awareness. Remember, every like, share, and subscribe is towards winning the battle against these tiny invaders. Join us in this fight by spreading the word. Together we can make a difference. But it's not all doom and gloom. Scientists are working tirelessly to develop new ways to combat these pests. From using pheromones to disrupt their mating patterns, to genetically modifying the cockroaches to make them more susceptible to insecticides, the human ingenuity is being pushed to its limits in this battle against nature. In conclusion, the growing immunity of cockroaches to insecticides is a stark reminder of the adaptability of nature. It's a wake-up call for us to rethink our strategies, to use insecticides more judiciously, and to invest more in research and development of alternative methods. Because if we don't, we might soon find ourselves in a world overrun by cockroaches. And that's a future no one wants to imagine. In the end, the resilience of cockroaches serves as a humbling reminder of nature's adaptability and our ongoing struggle to keep our sandwiches safe from these tiny invaders. It's a call for more innovative, sustainable solutions to pest control, and a hilarious lesson in the consequences of over-reliance on quick fixes.